number 17. Draw the projection of a cube of 30 mm side resting on one of its edges on the HP with a solid diagonal perpendicular to VP. Here it is not the side on HP but one edge on HP. The edge 4D is on HP. So therefore you have to draw the initial position like this. So the solid diagonal is perpendicular to VP. So initially it is drawn as if the solid diagonal is parallel to HP and inclined to VP. Now we are going to make this vertical. So obviously we will get the solid diagonal perpendicular to VP. So draw the cube in initial position with the equal inclination of the base sides with the HP. So you will be getting this view. You can name A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash for the front portion, and the rear portion is 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash. So front portion is A visible, B visible, C visible, D visible. Similarly 1 visible, 2 visible, 3 visible, 4 invisible. Now that we have to make the solid in such a way that this longer side 1C is vertical. So draw one vertical line. Draw a vertical line. This vertical line is the longer diagonal, solid diagonal. Take one point as 1 suffix 1, the other point as C suffix 1, C suffix 1. Try to rearrange this rectangle in this fashion. So with 1 suffix 1 you will be able to get this 1 3 and C3. From C you can take C3, make one arc C3. 1 3 you can take and make another arc here. So therefore you will be getting a shape like this. So with this you can just get the remaining shape. The idea is the edges should be vertical. One edge is perpendicular with the other edge. So similarly you have the other edge also. So these edges are perpendicular. So now you can find out the mid portion. Find out the mid portion and you can make it down. The idea is you should have the same shape here. So when you are unable to make out the same shape, better redraw. It's very important, otherwise you won't be getting the answer. So take this shape, take the actual 1 3 and the actual shape would have been a little bigger like this. So here again you get the shape. So now the new shape is the actual shape. So try to connect this. You are getting the exact in the new position. Now mark the points. This is 1 suffix 1. Go for the 2 suffix 1 and 3 suffix 1. 2 suffix 1 is there. 3 suffix 1 is available here. Similarly 4 suffix 1 is available here. This is C suffix 1. Find out A suffix 1, A suffix 1, then B suffix 1, then C suffix 1 is already available, D suffix 1. Now draw this leading diagonal or the solid diagonal. Try to project this to the front view. You will be getting this shape. So you will be getting another line like this. Then you have the line through 2 and 4, another line through 3. So you can make out the horizontal lines. This is one horizontal, another horizontal like this. Then the last horizontal can be drawn. So the corresponding points can be obtained. So take A horizontal, can get A vertical. So A1 dash can be obtained. B horizontal and B vertical gives you B1 dash, B1 dash. C horizontal and C vertical gives you C1 dash. So this is C1 dash. D horizontal and D vertical gives you D1 dash. Again 1 horizontal and 1 vertical, it gives you 1 dash. Now C1 is vertical, so therefore 1 is not visible, only C1 is visible. Put 1 dash within bracket, C1 dash is there. Similarly 2 horizontal and 2 vertical comes out to be here. So mark this 2 horizontal and 2 vertical. 3 horizontal and 3 vertical is available here. This is 3 suffix 1 dash. Again you have 4 suffix 1 dash. Idea is just take the extreme edges, just connect them blindly. You will be getting a shape like a hexagon. Now apply our rule. Identify the extreme corner, draw horizontal lines. Here also you draw horizontal line. Whatever is below this is completely visible. So therefore ABCD is completely visible. Join ABCD by dark line. This is AB, BC, then CD. 1, 2, 3, 4 is completely invisible. Leave the edges. 1, 2 is dotted line. 2, 3 is edge. 3, 4 is edge. 4, 1 is not visible. So it is dotted line. So this point is C1 dash. Now you have the ABCD dot and 1, 2, 3, 4 dotted. Follow the order where you connect A with B, B with C, C with D, once again A with D. Again 1 with 2, 2 with 3, 3 with 4, 4 with 1. You can connect 1A, 2B, 3C with 4, 4 with 1. You can connect 1A, 2B, 3C, D4 and 1A. Now you see A1, A1 is, this is A and 1, it is not visible. So put 1A by a dotted line. 2B, 2B is available here, 2B is there. If you just go through 2B, it is edge, you can leave it. 3C, 3C is there, 3C, 3 is available, C is available, both are visible. So therefore you can make one dark line. 4D, 4D is edge, you can leave it. So this is the final shape of the solid cube, where one of its slant edge, one of its edges on the ground. Identify that edge as 4D. So even at the final stage, D dash and 4 dash, D1 dash and 4 dash is on XY line. At the same time, the solid diagonal 1C is perpendicular to VP and parallel to HP.